Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina and I am so happy to see you here today. Today's recipe is actually a very interesting one. That would be smelling salt. But I think this is the recipe for everybody who lives in, a modern life, right? So for everybody, because it would help you to feel a lot better anytime you feel overwhelmed. Well, I feel overwhelmed sometimes really a lot. And it's all about the stress. I'm talking about stress all the time on my channel. And while I'm talking, I'm going to open up the main ingredient here, and that would be the salt. And by all means, do use some good kind of salt. The sea salt is perfect. Actually, if you've never seen any videos of mine about salt, you have to, because I'm saying a lot of great things about salt, the good type of salt. And for the recipe, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of sea salt. So let me just measure it, and I would recommend you to get a glass container. A glass container because we're going to use essential oils and they would sit here for a long time. So it's a wonderful idea to use glass. After we've added the salt, right, we would proceed with the essential oils. You all know essential oils could be a very powerful tool, right, in combating the stress, in helping you out to feel better, to calm you down, to ease that anxiety. And there are so many different essential oils out there that are promoting this type of effect. My favorite one is the clary sage. I always go to sleep with it, and I am suggesting you to use this here today. We won't really need a lot, just 6 drops of that. It's really very good for your sleep routine. So 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know that I'm using essential oils right now a lot, and I'm happy if you guys are going to do the same thing. But I know sometimes the recipe calls for 1 oil, and sometimes you just don't like the smell of it. By all means, don't force yourself, because there are so many different oils with very, very similar properties. So use whatever you really, really love. And I really love these, and I really hope you would too. So the next oil I'm going to use is the mandarin essential oil. Actually, I've never really thought before that mandarin could be a calming oil. But the main purpose of these oils is that they could really help you to stay alert and focused at the same time, so you, let's say, could accomplish the things that you need to get done. We shall need it only in the amount of 2 drops. 1 and 2. And now I would just mix it a little bit and pretty much close the lid. This is your personal sea salt inhaler, and you would inhale it every time you really feel the need to do so. And of course, with time, I would recommend you to refresh the blend, so sort of like, add a little bit more salt and add more clary sage and mandarin essential oils. So you would need to repeat this treatment as needed. Let's say if you're at your desk, you're working, you need the job done, you could keep inhaling it, or you could also do it at the end of the day when you want to sort of relieve the stress and feel a lot better. But guys, please take stress management seriously, and do not forget that essential oils alone would not really, solve all the problems. You do need to make sure you have regular exercise, regular rest, healthy and natural diet. Probably when you want to use the new salt, do not really throw it away. You could mix it with some oil, and that would be a perfect skin scrub, so you could use it for skincare as well. So I really hope you guys like this video. It's pretty simple. It doesn't require a lot of essential oils and just a lot of ingredients. I hope you guys like it. Please put the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy and very healthy, and I will see you in my next video.